Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now friends, we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. Please go ahead and join that group by clicking on the link provided in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. On that group, you can go ahead and ask us any questions with respect to stocks or any other thing related to money. Using the group, you can also get informed about any stock market information at the earliest. Now in this video, we'll be talking about a very high quality debt-free company which Motilal Oswal Asset Management Company feels is a no-brainer 10-year compounding story. Please watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited, which is available at Rs 572.15 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is HDFC LIFE. Now HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited engages in the provision of life insurance services. It offers a range of individual and group insurance solutions such as protection, pension, savings, investments and health. The company was founded on August 14, 2000 and is headquartered in Mumbai, India. Now speaking on a recent television interview, Manish Sonthalia, who is the head of the PMS services of Motilal Oswal, said that HDFC Life is a 10-year compounding story and a no-brainer at that. They are the best as far as the insurance play is concerned, whether it's a savings product, annuity product, endowment or term insurance. We can go ahead and name it and they would be executing it the best and have the best cost structure. He went on to mention that the valuations are fair at a premium of 30 to 40% to the rest of the pack. Looking at the 1-year chart, this company had not really done anything special throughout the year. However, of late, it has had a breakout. The market cap of the company is 1,15,526.98 crores, which means that this company is a large cap one. The EPS of 6.43 translates into an expensive price to earnings ratio of 88.98, which is much more expensive when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 66.84. However, this is not the best metric to measure an insurance company. The price to book ratio of 16.99 is also slightly expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0, which means that this company is debt free. The return on equity is 0.2084. Now the promoter holding is a very strong factor for this company at 63.69%, of which nothing is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. Please also join us on our free Telegram group, the link for which is present in the description of the video and also in the pinned comment. In this group, you will be able to go ahead and ask us any questions and also be updated with stock market information at the earliest. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.